How to find birthday settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday settings on Instagram Lite. First, and open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here, and now click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, account. Click on it and then click personal information, and here you will find this one, birthday. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage your birthday. Just change it and then click save, confirm, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.